Welcome. Quran Guides Academy. If you want to learn Quran and Islamic studies at home, we provide live-to-live sessions. No age limitation. 3 days free trial class. Qualified male and female teachers are available. Contact the given number to know more information. +92 318 472 6427.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Quran teacher. So we are starting from here. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Before starting, I want to tell you, in this lesson we have to practice tanween rules, standing harakat rule, simple harakat with madda letters and lean letters. Okay, so from the first box, Hamza Sheen Fatha Ash Ta Alif Fatha Ta Ashta Ta double Fatha Tan Ashtatan. Hamza Ta Kasra It Ain standing Fatha It Mim double damamun It Amun. Hamza Ain Fatha Noon Alif Fatana A'na. Ba double Fatha ban A'naban. Hamza Fa Fatha Af Waw Alif Fatha Wa Afwa. Jim double Fatha Jan Afwajan. Without spelling, Ashtatan. It'amun. A'naban. Afwajan. Next line. Hamza Lam Fatha Al Fa Alif Fatha Fa Alfa. Fa double Fatha Fan. Also you can read with spelling Fa Alif double Fatha Fan. Okay, both are right. Both spelling are right. Alfafan. Qaf Ra Dama Qur. Hamza standing Fatha Qur Noon double Dama Nun Qur'anun. Hamza Lam Fatha Al Hamim Fatha Ham Alham. Dal Damadu Alhamdu. Waw Lam Fatha Wal Fa Jim Fatha Faj Wal Faj. Ra Kasrari Wal Fajri. Without spelling, Alfafan. Qur'anun. Alhamdu. Wal Fajri. So it was our lesson today, and I want to say one thing. If you want to read Quran live to live sessions, you can contact the given number. Okay, so take yourself. See you inshallah in next video. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.
أو زد عليه ورتل القرآن ترتيلا إنا سنلقي عليك قولا